Taking a look at the Saurus Scar Veteran on Aggrodon today. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Seraphon Saurus Scar Veteran on Aggrodon. This model I'm really excited about. Really fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to seeing if we get a new one on the Carnosaur with the Saurus Warrior and everything like that. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model, and a huge thank you to my patrons for their continued support, and all you brand new ones. A huge thank you to all of you for your continued support. Now, let's have a look at the back of the box, see what we're in store for, and yeah, I mean, the model, really nice size. Looks like we can do the character in a couple configurations. I don't know if we have just this one character or if this is like a regular Saurus Warrior on here or what have you, but I do like that you can do the unhelmeted, roaring, closed mouth, and then with his headpiece as well. I think this model's pretty darn cool. I'm excited to dive in, and in fact, let's stop gum flapping and let's just get into this. Let's get in. So I'm gonna bust out the trusty rusty knife, and we're gonna bust open the cellophane and begin diving in. Oh yeah, cellophane. Oh, you know I loves me some cellophane. Some unboxing ASMR for y'all. All right, let's dive in. Let's have a look. So we're looking at, it looks like only a single frame. Really, a single frame. Yeah, that's it. Just a single frame. We got the instruction guide. The Saurus Scar Veteran on Aggrodon. Looks like a pretty straightforward assembly. Yeah, oh, you can do them with a little pickaxe or spear. Very cool. So he has some options, and there's 3 different head options: a roaring head, a closed mouth, and his headpiece. I like the roaring head and I like the headpiece. It's very interesting, and I like him equipped with the spear, but I think the other hand weapon is kind of interesting as well. You also get a little bit of the rules for him, and of course the frame is one frame with all the details, and the Aggrodon is pretty darn big. I'm actually kind of surprised, and it also comes with a cavalry base. Let's come in for a closer look on this. All right, so let's have a look at the sprue. My gosh, look at all the detail. Yeah, oh, he even looks like he's got little chicken feet. The Aggrodon's got chicken feet. I dig it though, it's cool. I wonder if we'll see more, or we'll get like a unit of these guys, like big guys like this. Yeah, these are really cool. I'd like to know what that weapon is. Some sort of crazy tomahawk-like weapon, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure there's a name for it. I'm sure. Yeah, I like the details on this. Look at all the scales. Look at all the feathers. Yeah, these are cool. Oh, man. And see, you know that they're really cool looking models because I'm immediately thinking of like the color schemes and how I'd paint this or that. And yeah, it's all very exciting. I like this little back piece for the rider. Yeah, look at that. That is so darn cool. Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta give the sniff test. Let's give it a sniff test. Smells like an Aggrodon to me. Oh man, that smells exactly as how you think it would. All right, let's get back to the review. So that's our unboxing of the Saurus Scar Veteran on Aggrodon. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons for the continued support and all you brand new ones. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all of that helps the channel as well. All it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal, and a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe even a painting tutorial. Maybe even a live stream. Maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who knows in this crazy upside down world? Who even knows? Well, maybe you might know. I don't know. Or maybe I know. Okay, bye.